Setting up the processes. We have created a new board. There is 4 default processes: backlog, in process, check, and done. Let's look at the board. As we can see, it consists of 4 columns: backlog, in process, check, and done. Let's add a new process. Enter the name of the process, design. In this form, we can put a value of visibility restriction. It is the number of cards that can be seen by your employee. For example, if there is a column of 20 cards and you set the limit of 5, then the employee will see only the top of 5 cards of the column. Below, we set the visibility of the column. For example, user Alex will see the column design. Click to save. Thus, we have added a new process, design. Let's look at the board. The board has a new column, design. The order of the processes in the list indicates the location of the columns on the board. Now we have next sequence: design, backlog, in process, check, and done. Now we move the design column. Let's look at the board. As we can see, the design column moved and now it is after the column of the backlog. I would like to remind you that according to the rules, Kanban cards can be moved only in a certain order, from left to right, so the processes and columns of the board should be placed according to the order of performance. Let's add a few more processes and complete KanbanDesk. If your company has several departments, you can set up sub-processes and allocate them to individual columns. Let's add sub-processes for columns design and programming. Click to add a process. Enter the name of the sub-process. Choose the parental process. Click Save and add another sub-process. In this field, we can enter a limit of the number of tasks. According to the second rule of Kanban, you should limit the amount of started and unfinished work. Now we put the value 2. Add another sub-process and look at the board. In the end, I would like to say that the configuration process is a constructor of Kanban board. We recommend before setting to define clearly processes and sub-processes of your company, as well as the sequence of tasks. As practice shows, a well set up Kanban board increases the productivity of the company in times.